You don't need to announce every move. You don't need approval. And you definitely don't need their permission. This journey, it's yours. It's built in silence, forged in discipline, strengthened by every day you didn't quit when no one was watching. While they scroll, you're studying. While they sleep, you're building. While they talk, you're evolving. See, the world is loud right now. Everybody wants to be seen, but few want to be undeniable. And that comes from doing the work when it's boring, painful, or invisible. You want greatness. Then you need consistency without applause. You need hunger without hype. You need patience without validation. Discipline is your shield. Focus is your sword. And silence, that's your power. Because when you rise, it won't be noise. It'll be impact. It'll be legacy. It'll be a version of you no one expected, but you always knew was coming. So stop explaining, stop announcing, stop waiting. Just move, work, build, win in silence.